Now entering data in a worksheet. Now you are familiar on how to start MS Excel, how to open a file, how to save and how to close Excel worksheet. In 6th standard we was learn how to start MS Excel, how to open file, how to save file and how to close MS Excel worksheet, what is cell. Then we learn also what is sheet, what is workbook. So we just look out how to start MS Excel. To start MS Excel, first step we have to click on start button. Here is the start button. Then next step is all programs, then Microsoft Office, and then Microsoft Office Excel. Now Excel will be open. Now see, this is the sheet. This whole is the sheet. Here is the sheet 1, here is the sheet 2, and here is the sheet 3. Now how to open a Excel file? First we need to go in File tab. Here is the File option. Click on File and click on Open, and open your Excel file. Suppose okay. Click on File, click on Open, then select your file. Where is your file? On desktop I save my file. The name is okay. Our file is open. And how to save file? Suppose I am creating new file, new. Okay, blank document, create. Now suppose I am creating one new file. There will be name and roll number. This is my Excel file. I have to save this file. Click on File, click on Save, and select the path, select the destination where you want to save your file. Now I have to save my file on desktop, so I am choosing here desktop option. Here is the desktop. On desktop my file will be saved. Suppose I am giving computer name to that file. Give name computer, and click on save. Now file will be saved. To start MS Excel, click on start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, and then click on MS Excel. To save file, click on File, then click on Save, or to open, to click on Open. And how to close Excel sheet? To close MS Excel, here simply we have to click on this close button, then Excel will be closed. Only we have to click on close button, then our sheet will be closed like this. So now let's us enter some data in a worksheet. Now we are entering some data in a worksheet. 3 friends, Rohit, Komal and Amit, collect posters, stamps and tattoos. Rohit has 15 stamps, 18 posters and 8 tattoos. Komal has 5 stamps, 32 posters and 7 tattoos. And Amit has 10 stamps, 25 posters and 11 tattoos. They want to keep a record of the number of items collected by each them. Now we are entering this data in MS Excel. How to start MS Excel? Click on Start button, all programs, Microsoft Office, and then click on Microsoft Office Excel. Now Excel will be opened. Now I am going to enter the data. There are 3 friends, Rohit, Komal and Samir. First one is Rohit, enter, then Kamal, Kamal, and next is Amit. There are 3 friends, Rohit, Kamal and Amit. They are collect the poster, stamp and tattoo. Poster, stamp and tattoo. Now first is stamp. Here will be stamp. Poster, and tattoos. Rohit has 15 stamps. Rohit has 15 stamps. Next, 18 poster, 15 stamps, 15 stamps, then 18 posters, and how many tattoo? 8 tattoos. Rohit has 15 stamps, 18 poster and 8 tattoos. Then next, Kamal has 8 stamps, 32 poster, and 7 tattoos. And Amit has 10 stamps and 25 posters and 11 tattoos. In this way I am entering data in MS Excel sheet. So now I am keeping a record of the number of atoms collected by each of them. So in this way we are entering data in MS Excel. So type the data in this way. If you have computer in your home, so you can enter this data in your Excel, MS Excel. So now next is the autofill features. The autofill feature. The autofill feature in MS Excel is used to fill consecutive series of cells based on the value existing in the selected cell. This feature is very useful when you want the same data in the entire column or want to enter column series of data such as consecutive numbers or days of the week. So autofill feature in MS Excel is used to enter the series based on the value existing in the selected cell. Now for example, suppose you are entering one number and continuously you want that number. Suppose see like this. File, new. Wait. So see, first step is now here I am entering some value 1, and again I want this value. So first step is select this number, select this cell, then go in corner, then like this plus sign will be come. See, in this type of plus sign will be come in dark black color. Then just you have to hold your mouse, you have to press the left button of mouse and just drag the mouse. How many cell you want, just drag the mouse, same number will be come, which is the auto feature. This is the use of autofill features. Suppose here I want some name, suppose computer, and I want this name 10 times. Suppose here is I am selecting this cell, so I am not typing 10 times same name computer, only just I am selecting that cell, then I am going to this corner, then plus sign will come and just I am dragging the mouse, then how many cell I want till that time, then same name will be come. First step, select the cell, go in corner, then plus sign will become, then press the left button of the mouse and drag the mouse how many times you want. Now next, suppose you want in series number 1 2 3 4, like this series you want number. So first you have to type 1, then you have to type second number 2. Now you have to select this both number, you have to select this both cell. Okay, you are selecting this cell. Then next is go in corner. Now automatically plus sign is come. Then hold your mouse, click left button of the mouse and drag mouse. Automatically number will come 3 4 5 6 7. How many cell you selected till that it will become. And suppose if you want 1 or 1 to 10 number, so first 1, here 2, then select this 2 cell, go in corner, plus sign will become, hold your mouse, lift the press button of the mouse and drag the mouse. 8, 9 and 10 till the 10 number will come. Now you want 2's table, 2 ones are 2, here 2 have to type 2 numbers, first 2 number, select this 2 cell, then go in corner and drag the mouse till that 20 table will come. Again you want Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so you have to type only 2 days, here Sunday, and next Monday. Now select these 2 cells and drag the mouse. Automatically it will come. Now you can create calendar also. First, here you have to type only January and February. Jan and Feb. Now you have to select these 2 cells, plus sign is coming and drag the mouse, and December. If you want full, then type full also. January and select these 2 cells, plus sign will come and just drag the mouse. Whole calendar will come, whole month will come. So this is the autofill feature. By using autofill feature, in MS Excel to fill constitute series of cell based on the value existing in the selected cell. This feature is very useful when you want same data in the entire column or want to enter common series of the data. So if you want to same number hold the cell, same number to till the whole cell, you have to type one number or one name and you have to drag the mouse. So you can get same number, same name. If you want Sunday calendar also, if you want January, February, months also, days also, you can only have to type the name or number, select that cell, go in corner when the plus sign will become and you have to drag the mouse. So in this way, so this is the use of autofill feature.